This is the Umidigi A11, latest budget smartphone by Umidigi. The Umidigi A11 comes with a 6.5-inch 720p HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio. To the back, it has a metal frame and matte glass back with Beyond Dreams text on it. Now talking about the cameras, the A11 comes with a triple camera setup, a 16-megapixel primary camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 5-megapixel macro camera. The camera bump also houses the infrared thermometer 2.0, which can measure body temperature by simply pointing at a person. To the front, it has an 8-megapixel selfie camera with AI beauty mode and face recognition. Both the front and back cameras are able to shoot 1080p at 30 fps. Under the hood, the A11 comes with a MediaTek G25 octa-core processor, which is a lower mid-range or budget processor. It is available in two storage options, 3GB of RAM and 64GB storage, or 4GB of RAM and 128GB storage. There is also support for expandable storage up to 256GB via SD card, and powering all this is a 5150 mAh battery. Some other features in the Umidigi A11 are side-mounted fingerprint sensor, AI face unlock, custom shortcut key, dual SIM plus SD card slot, Bluetooth 5.0, 5GHz Wi-Fi, dual 4G LTE, 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C, GPS, gyroscope and Android 11 out of the box. The Umidigi A11 starts at $120 and is available in two color options, Mist Blue and Frost Grey. If you are interested in Umidigi smartphones, check out the Umidigi playlist at the end of this video. With that being said, give this video a like, and for more short tech videos like this, subscribe to Tech Cluster. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.